Well, the other big story is India stands divided over abortion laws after the plea of a woman to abort her fetus was turned down by court in Mumbai. Well, this could be the start of another debate, this time on surrogacy laws. A Japanese child born to a surrogate Indian mother in Jaipur has no home to go to. Her parents got divorced before her birth and her mother doesn't want the child.
She is a gift of technology, but has arrived ahead of the times. A Japanese baby girl born from an Indian surrogate mother has no home to go to. Her only relative is her grandmother. The baby's parents have divorced and only the father came to collect the baby.
फादर मदर का तलाक हो चुका है, तो केवल फादर को ये बेबी जो है गोद नहीं दिया जा सकता। उसमें सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही है कि सिंगल मेल को फीमेल चाइल्ड भारतीय कानून के हिसाब से गोद नहीं दिया जाता है।
So the law doesn't allow the biological father to take away his baby or a man to adopt a girl child. So this baby's father left her in a Jaipur hospital under the care of his mother. Even as India is fast emerging as a major destination for surrogate pregnancies, such births are largely unregulated.
तो 50% DNA जो है बेबी में फादर के हैं और प्राकृतिक तौर पे अगर माना जाए तो फादर उसका नेचुरल फादर है, तो नेचर ऑफ लॉ के हिसाब से उसको फादर मान के उसको बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया जाना चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हो रहा।
The surrogacy bill is pending in Parliament. Cases like this one are a warning that the laws of the land have to keep pace with changing times. Otherwise, infants like her will suffer. An NDTV Bureau report.
So what really happens to this tiny baby in Jaipur? Harsha Kumari is there and she tells us some more details.
The baby's grandmother, the baby's paternal grandmother has come down and she's there with the baby looking after her. The baby was born in Ahmedabad, I would like to say. The surrogate mother was in Ahmedabad, but because of the blast, the parents got so worried that they moved the child to Jaipur. Now the grandmother is here, she was staying with some people, but it's an 11-day-old baby, Vishnu. I mean, it needs maternal care. So obviously the baby was not keeping very good health and then had to be moved into a nursing home in Jaipur. And the grandmother, it's really, really tragic to meet the grandmother. I just met her in the morning. She starts crying every time you talk to her. She can't communicate. She can only talk in Japanese. And all she can communicate to you is that she wants to take her baby back. Now she's here on a tourist visa. So how long is she going to be able to stay here and look after the child? And it's really the human rights of an absolutely innocent baby which is at stake here now.